Designed for any turbine repair or maintenance, Kit Power Gen Gas includes a wide range of wrenches and also includes striking, lifting, securing, power, and precision tools. These tools are necessary to provide world-class field service to customers all around the world. These systems are designed for hot gas pad, CI and/or major. This kit includes underfloor storage compartments that can easily be accessed from the outside, which is a new patent-pending design. Kit Power Gen Gas is organized to quickly locate or inventory tools and can be customized to address any need you have. Kipper Tool employs the 5S methodology in the construction of all our kits.